Ever wanted to package your favorite pictures into a neat, shareable document right on your Android phone? Transforming your images into PDFs on your Android device is surprisingly simple and incredibly useful. It's the perfect way to archive, share, or even create simple documents from your photos. The easiest way to do this is by using a dedicated app. Head over to your Google Play Store and search for Image to PDF Converter. You'll find many great options for this tutorial. We'll use a popular and highly rated app. Look for one with a good number of downloads and positive reviews. Once you've found an app you like, tap Install. The app will download and set itself up on your device automatically. After installation, locate the app's icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap it to open it. Inside the app, you'll typically see a prominent button to add or select your images. Tap this to begin. This will open your phone's gallery. Browse through your albums and tap on the photos you want to include in your PDF. You can usually select multiple images at once. You'll see your selected images appear within the app. You can often reorder them by dragging and dropping if the order matters. Now, look for a Convert or Create PDF button, usually found at the bottom or top of the screen. Tap it to start the conversion process. The app will work its magic, and within moments, your PDF will be created. You'll usually get a confirmation message. The app will then present you with options to save the PDF to your device or share it directly via email, messaging apps, or cloud storage. And there you have it. Your images are now a universally compatible PDF, ready to be sent or stored. It's a fantastic way to keep your photos organized and easily accessible.